Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow chocolate. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, delightful treat. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 200 grams of your favorite chocolate, 100 grams of mini marshmallows, and a small amount of butter or coconut oil. Preparing your baking dish with parchment paper now will make the next steps much easier. Now, let's melt that delicious chocolate. The key is to do it slowly and gently to avoid burning. A double boiler is ideal, or you can use a microwave, heating in short bursts of about 30 seconds and stirring well after each. You want a perfectly smooth, luscious chocolate, free of any lumps, ready for the next exciting step in our easy recipe. With your chocolate beautifully melted, it is time for the star ingredient, the marshmallows. Gently fold in your 100 grams of mini marshmallows. You want them thoroughly coated in the warm, gooey chocolate. Work relatively quickly here, as the chocolate will start to cool and thicken. This step creates that wonderful, chewy texture we all love in marshmallow chocolate. Once mixed, pour the marshmallow chocolate into your parchment-lined pan, spreading it evenly to about 1 inch thick. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it is completely firm. Once chilled, lift it out, cut it into delicious squares or rectangles, and enjoy your incredibly easy homemade marshmallow chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.